Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I was in the auto parts store the other day, and I happened to go down the aisle where they had all the car washing stuff, and I saw this Headlight Restoration kit. I've seen these before, and of course they had a huge selection of them. I didn't know which one to buy, but I figure they're probably all about the same. Maybe not, but anyway. So I bought this one, and I thought I'd give it a shot because most of the headlights on my cars are messed up. But we have a bunch of old cars. And then when I got home, I was looking at my shelf, and I saw that apparently I had a box already, but it's been used. I guess Dad did it at one point and doesn't remember. But inside it has the little spinner wheel and some little pads, application pads. So I guess if this calls for it, actually this one appears to use handheld pads. So maybe we'll combine the two and see what happens. Anyway, you can follow along and see with me if it's going to work. I don't know if it is or isn't, so let's do it. Okay, little update. I looked at the old box that I had and read the directions, and apparently all it is this thing, and these are pre-soaked pads. So I guess you put water on them or something, and maybe they work. I don't know. But they're different processes. So this one appears to be a little more, I'm going to guess that it's better because it's got compounds and a lubricant and a sealant, and it just seems more, a bigger pain in the butt. So that equals probably better. But anyway, I've got plenty of car headlights that I can try it all out on, and you guys can follow along. Okay, that works good enough. I'm not even going to try the other one because it's hot. I mean, it's November and I'm sweating like a pig out here. I live in South Texas, and it's crazy. There's mosquitoes, and anyway, I don't feel like doing it. But I did. The thing is, I had that F-150. Had an accident in it several years ago, and they replaced one of the headlamps, and so the old headlamp is kind of dingy and the other one isn't. So this was a good opportunity to just fix the other one so they kind of sort of match. And anyway, I think it'll help, and that's it for today. See you next time.